Namaskar. Bad breath can be seen like a small problem, but it can affect your confidence in many situations. Whether you are speaking, teaching, meeting somebody, but it affects everything. In yoga, it is said bad breath is not just a mouth issue, it reflects deeper imbalance in digestion, in oral hygiene, or your daily habits. Today, I will guide you in 5 simple and natural home remedies for bad breath. Along with the remedies, I will also help you to understand some of the common causes of bad breath or halitosis. They support your overall oral health by gently removing the root causes of halitosis. Let's begin. The first remedy is Triphala Water Rinse. Triphala is a mixture of amalki, haritki, and bibhitki. It reduces gum inflammation, cleanses the digestive tract, and balances excess heat in the body, which is often a hidden cause of bad breath and mouth odor. What you have to do is take 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder and soak it overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, strain and use it as a natural mouthwash for bad breath. This is a sattvic cleansing remedy for your entire system and an excellent bad breath treatment at home. The next remedy is to improve your digestion with fennel or cumin seed. Many bad breath causes actually come from indigestion, gases, or toxins in the stomach. In Ayurveda, this is called as ama or undigested residues, and it can lead to mouth odor. What you need to do is, after meals, simply chew roasted fennel seed or cumin seed to stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and refresh the mouth naturally. Another solution for bad breath using fennel and cumin is herbal tea, which you can make by boiling cumin, coriander, and fennel. Sip it warm to prevent mouth odor from within. The third remedy is to keep the tongue clean. Your tongue can carry coating of bacteria, food particles, and toxins. These are major reasons for bad breath. In fact, this is one major cause why your breath smells bad even after brushing. So make it a habit. After brushing, gently scrape your tongue with a copper or stainless steel tongue cleaner. Pair it with interdental brushing and dental flossing to further improve dental oral health. A simple habit can make huge difference into your bad breath treatment. The next remedy is to stay hydrated throughout the day. One big cause of bad breath is dry mouth. This dryness can allow bacteria to grow more easily in your mouth, which then leads to bad breath. Sip water regularly. Don't wait until you are thirsty. Warm water with lemon juice or tulsi can help. Avoid too much tea or coffee, which can dry the mouth. This is one of the simplest bad breath solution for those wondering, my mouth is smelling bad, what should I do? And the final treatment for bad breath is a Camphor-clove steam inhalation. This helps clear blocked sinuses and throat congestion, which are hidden causes of halitosis. This remedy is especially useful if you feel mucousy, if your bad breath worsens. What you have to do is boil water in a pot, add a small piece of edible camphor and a few cloves. Inhale the steam for 2-3 minutes. Now, at the end, let me also give you a special tip to reduce bad breath. Sometimes bad breath doesn't start in the mouth, it starts in the sinuses. Mucus buildup, dryness, or poor nasal hygiene can create foul mouth odor that even brushing won't solve. So use this simple tip. Just before sleeping or early in the morning, dip a clean finger in warm coconut oil or slightly warmed cow ghee and gently apply it just inside your nostril and inhale then deeply. It moisturizes the inner nasal passage, clears out toxins, and reduces dryness, which in turn helps freshen your breath from the source. You also sleep better, breathe better, and wake up fresher inside and out. Bad breath is not something to be ashamed of. It is your body's way of showing that something needs care. By making small changes in your daily routine, like cleansing your tongue, chewing the right spices, staying hydrated, and supporting your digestion, you can experience lasting freshness from within. Remember, good health is not only about your mouth, it is also about the clean system and balanced habit. Take care of your body and it will take care of you. Namaskar.